Today I tell you how to place and project your voice for singing, what it means to sing in the mask.
¿Qué lugar se enamoró de ti? Porque has robado un trozo de mi vida.
And what exercises can help you to sing high notes freely. And pay attention to the difference. Welcome to my channel of singing lessons from scratch. I am Natalia Bliss, a singer, pianist and vocal technique teacher. It's my English channel. You also have my channel available in Spanish, Natalia Bliss, Clases de Canto desde cero. If you enjoy my videos and want to support me, subscribe, give it a like and leave a comment. Also follow me on my Instagram. If you've ever heard the phrase "sing in the mask", it means to project and have the sound placed in the resonators, in the cavities. This area is also called the triangle, precisely because the mouth is a large resonator, the nasal resonator is a bit smaller, and the frontal resonator is even smaller. One of the main reasons why students struggles with high notes, feeling pain in the throat when singing high notes, it's due to a lack of correct placement and projection of the voice. I would like you to write to me in the comments where you feel your voice physically when you're singing, where you sense this vibration. Sound is a physical thing, is the air vibrating through our closed vocal cords, and this air has to vibrate in certain cavities. The sound can vibrate in the chest, obviously in the throat, because that's where our vocal cords are. It can vibrate in the mouth or in the nasal resonator. And in this case, a big mistake is trying to force the voice out, to push it, instead of keeping the voice placed in the resonators. And now I'll show you exercises to help achieve a powerful sound. First, try making the sound of surprise.
Qué interesante.
Observe where you feel the movement, where you feel this sound. I feel it here.
Qué interesante.
Try making the sound at a higher pitch.
¿Qué me cuentas? De verdad.
This place is exactly where you have to place your high notes.
¿En qué lugar se enamoró de ti?
Let's practice this exercise with the mouth closed, starting from the low notes. We repeat it 3 times. Keep going.
Siente el sonido en el resonador. Y un poquito más. Suave. Un poquito más si puedes. Más. Muy bien.
So, we've understood that we need to feel the sound in this area, in the triangle of the mask. If you notice, in this exercise you probably felt that you can't push the voice outward. You'll have to get used to a sound that resonates inside. Now let's practice the exercise
No, no, no.
How do you have to do it? Keeping the sound inside.
No, no, no. No, no, no.
not pushing it out.
No, no, no.
Because if you try to push, you'll feel tension in the throat. I also want you to do this exercise with the sensation of a bigger, deeper sound. Why? Because I want you to keep your larynx in a more relaxed and lower position. You should feel your throat wide.
No, no, no. No,
I'm not squeezing it, but I imagine my voice as bigger.
No, no, no.
Keeping my throat wide. The male voice starts here. And the female voice starts here.
No, no, no.
Now it's your turn.
No, no, no.
Tú.
No, no, no.
Let's go.
No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. ¿Seguimos? Y otra vez. Un poco más. No, no, no. No, no, no. Y un poquito más.
One of the greatest enemies of a well-projected and placed voice is an excess of air, because when you try to push the air, you lose the vocal cord closure, and the sound will become airy, weak, and you won't be able to place and project this sound well. You have to remember the sound of crying. Notice the difference. Suddenly it starts to sound much more powerful, projected and sharp. We continue with the surprise exercise.
Sorpresa.
It will help you place the sound in the resonator. In the word surprise, you have to keep maintaining the sound in the resonator. It should sound like this.
Sorpresa.
And not like this.
Sorpresa.
When all my voice sounds in the throat and becomes airy. Keep maintaining the sound here.
Sorpresa. No empujo.
I don't push the voice outward. Let's go. A C3 for the male voice, C4 for the female voice.
2, 3. Sorpresa.
Let's go.
Sorpresa.
Tú. Y más.
Sorpresa.
Tú. Y más.
Sorpresa.
Tú.
Un sonido como un sorprendido, ¿no? Sorpresa.
Seguimos. Y más.
Sorpresa.
Más.
Un sonido un poquito nasal, un poco twang, ¿no? Sorpresa. Bien, otra vez.
It sounds like a cry or a whimper.
Sorpresa.
Tú. Y seguimos.
Sorpresa. Y más alto.
Vale.
Incluso con voz de cabeza. Sorpresa.
Tú. male voice sings here. The female voice here.
Un poquito más. Y otra vez. Muy bien.
I hope you enjoyed my video. Keep practicing and improving your vocal technique and enjoy your voice. See you!